नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले 5% टारगेट वाला स्टॉक है गालंट इस्पात। सो कमिंग टू दिस स्टॉक, प्रायर टू दैट आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट हैपेंड विद रोटोस्पिन. So I think most of you, if somebody has actually followed my videos and supposedly jumped into rotospin after it gave that jump, because our target was hit in the first 15-minute candle itself, and a lot of people might have actually bought it when it came down. What actually happened was उसके बाद इसका स्प्लिट हो गया, स्टॉक का स्प्लिट नहीं, बोनस आ गया 1:1 रेशियो पे, और ये तो नीचे आ गया और वहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा पैनिक सेलिंग हो गया एंड प्रॉफिट बुकिंग भी चल रहा था. तो एट दिस पॉइंट वी कैनॉट इवन डिसाइडली properly draw the chart again to estimate where exactly this is going to move, or what is the possibility of the stock kind of further need, because an event has happened. So we'll have to wait for it to settle down and see what is the next action to average and exit on that. Okay, so I just wanted to highlight that. Coming back to this, our new entry is Gallant Ispat. Okay, so this is not a very high volume stock, but the pattern looks promising. I've seen a consolidation at lower time frame and almost nearing an all-time high breakout. So I thought we'll discuss this on video. Firstly, we'll take the monthly time frame and draw the major trend line, resistance and supports. So it almost comes, almost, I wouldn't say exactly, but almost comes like this. No, not like that also. On a monthly time frame, it will look almost like this, I guess. Yeah, this is a bit more convincing to me. Let's draw it like this. Yeah, this looks more convincing for me, and we'll clone it out. And this is the resistance level. We can see some of the levels being respected at those levels exactly, and then we'll go for another clone as well and see what is going on at this level. This is I've drawn this level majorly because of this one resistance during the 2022 or 21 years pay. That is this one, and just to keep a note of it, not anything else. Not getting much marking points at those levels either. So for the sake of it, we're gonna just keep it there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the lower time frame, that is weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, we can see what is the situation here, and the levels are almost being respected exactly at the levels that we draw our lines. The trend lines are almost intact. And then what happened was, it was inside a channel for quite a long period of time. I'll show you. यहाँ से it was consolidating in this time frame. उसके बाद वो नीचे डिप हो गया और एक हेड एंड शोल्डर्स, उल्टा इन्वर्टेड हेड एंड शोल्डर्स फॉर्म हो गया. वहाँ से वापस इट केम बैक टू द चैनल and it tried consolidating inside the channel, but did not sustain. It came down, it took a retest and it consolidated below that for a few weeks. उसके बाद वो वापस अंदर आ गया और वहाँ से it kind of broke the all time high, and that happened exactly. I'll show you, I'll mark and show you the exact levels. Horizontal line would be helpful. The all time high was broken exactly around this level. See यहाँ पे a breakout and retest happened at almost exactly at that level. And उसके बाद it just gave a blasting rally towards 200 range, or it came out of the channel, and that happened exactly at this level. See, it came out of the channel over here, and वहाँ से it started going up and consolidating at this point on a shorter time frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to look into the shorter time frame and see if we have an opportunity for a 5% target trade. Okay, and we are going for arrow and going into the shorter time frame on a daily time frame. Daily time frame, if we are looking into it, we can see a very tight consolidation that has been active for quite some time. Only concern with the stock for me is the volumes are not that great. It's a low volume stock, but still thoda sa, like a short, very minimal trade can be taken at this point, because if it consolidates and breaks out of this channel, right, yeah, there is a possibility it can potentially make a move. This is the consolidation channel. उसके बाहर आ गया तो retest बना के it might rally to a higher range. So I'll say we're not looking for a breakout and retest wala trade. We're gonna be looking for that one breakout liquidity trade. So if it is going to break out, it's going to make a move like a pop-up out of this breakout level. Even if it's not sustaining, it might, even if it's coming back, we'll still be able to capture this move. So our entry would be at the current level, that is 385 range pay. It is already up 9% today, but still this is our entry point, 385. वहाँ से if you're able to capture a 5% move, that'll be great. So I'll mark the long position here. The long position would be okay, long position. We'll go back to shorter time frame, like 1 hour time frame would be better. We'll keep the entry here. Come on, this won't have, I would say. Okay, entry would be 385-ish. Some issue with my, okay, 385-ish, 85. Okay, this is our entry point. Our target would be somewhere close to 5%. That is 5% of this would be, okay, we'll keep it close to somewhere close to 6%. No, we'll keep it as 5% itself. Every time we have broken our own rules, we have ended up in some the other kind of trouble. Okay, we'll keep it at 545. That'll be 422 would be our almost target, and our stop loss would be, okay, we'll shorten the stop loss. This would be 10. Okay, that'll be almost exactly how it is, and almost below that red candle, if we are getting a closing, we'll be hitting our stop loss as well. So this is our target and stop loss. So make sure you follow your levels. Only deploy very minimal capital on this trade, and always make sure you deploy only first 50% in the initial, and then if it's coming down to 10% or something, we can add the rest and adjust the stop loss according to that. Okay, our target would always be 5%, irrespective of how many capital we deploy. We book our profits at 5%. Okay, that's it. So thought of making a video because I saw this opportunity right away. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're liking my entries. That's it. Thank you.